This is how you can make an Apple Watch just tell time and nothing else. So you have a few options. If it applies only to the watch face, you might choose a specific watch face which is very simple, right? So for example, this one has some complications about the activity, about the weather right there, and like music, timer, a lot of stuff going on. But if you switch by holding down on it and swiping to the plus button, if you switch in here and choose something very simple, like for example, this breathe watch face, which only has the time and the background, or something even simpler, right? You can make sure that only the time gets shown. Like for example, this gradient has nothing else but the clock. So that would be the first option. But alongside this, or something else which you can do, is get inside of your Apple Watch and go to the control center by pressing the side button, then tap on battery percentage right here. And what you can do is to turn on low power mode. And this is going to make sure that your Apple Watch will save the battery. And while saving the battery, it's going to eliminate many different things, so it can only show you the time, right? But in the past, we used to have not only the low power mode, but we used to have power reserve mode, meaning that you would get to a page where quite literally nothing else would show up except for the battery, which is no longer the case. We don't really have that. We don't even have it in the battery settings anymore, so we cannot really do that, right? But we only have the low power mode, right? So you can turn it on, but it's not really the same thing anymore. I guess what you could also do is to hold down on the power button right here, and you could technically turn off and power down your Apple Watch. And in this case, I'm pretty sure that if you just click the side button or something on the watch, it should let you know about the time, but nothing else. Yeah, I don't think it really works that way anymore. Yeah, so it shows you the time right here. So I guess you could turn off your Apple Watch if you really wanted to, and then just if you want to check out the time, then press any of the buttons, wait like 5 seconds, and you could see the time. But I accidentally turned on the Apple Watch right now, so it's probably not the best idea. I'm I'm not too happy that they removed the power reserve mode, which was very useful, but it's no longer available on our Apple Watch. So hopefully I explained to you properly how it works now. If you found it helpful, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video.